Hey Ohio Power Toolians, welcome back. Today we're diving into none other than Milwaukee PACKOUT, the modular storage system that's become the absolute must-have for so many trades.
You know, it's kind of like Legos for grown-ups. PACKOUT started with toolboxes and organizers, but it's grown into a full-blown ecosystem with drawers, foam inserts, and even accessory kits that lock right into the system. Even your coffee mug can lock into it. Today we'll cover how to start building your setup, how pre-built kits compare to building piece by piece, and highlight some key options available right now.
Let's start with pre-built kits. These are perfect if you want to hit the ground running. You already have a ton on your mind, so Milwaukee decided to help you out. Take the 4832 5162 Milwaukee 60-piece Shockwave drill, drive, and fastener set. It comes in a PACKOUT case, so not only are you stocked with driver bits, but the case locks right into your stack.
If you need something bigger, the 48324082 is a 100-piece Shockwave bit set, which is also in a PACKOUT case. That's a lot of variety in one kit, and it's built for people who want an all-in-one solution right out of the box.
You've also got assortments like the 38-piece 4922 5603 tap and die set, which comes PACKOUT ready. Pre-built assortments give you a clean, job site ready setup. Bits and sockets organized from day one.
Of course, the other route is building piece by piece. Start with the core like the 4822 8431 PACKOUT large toolbox. From there you can stack organizers, drawers, and accessory cases however you need.
This is where PACKOUT accessory cases shine. You've got SDS plus drill bit kits like the 4820 7663 and 4820 8899, both designed to clip into PACKOUT organizers.
For installing anchors, there's also the 7-piece concrete screw installation kit. And don't forget Milwaukee drill bits. This 15-piece black oxide set comes PACKOUT compatible, giving you secure storage for some of your most commonly used accessories.
Now let's talk about tool protection. The 4822 8453 foam insert lets you cut out custom shapes for your tools, batteries, or even specialty gear.
That way everything stays locked in place, no sliding, no damage bouncing around in transit, and it makes your setup look sharp and professional when you pop it open on the job site.
It's one of those upgrades you don't think you need until you try it, then you can't imagine going back to loose tools.
Here's how it plays out in real life. Say you're a concrete contractor, you could build a PACKOUT stack with the SDS Plus bits like the 4820 7663 and the 4820 8899, plus a foam insert customized for your rotary hammer. One stack, all of your drilling essentials.
Or an electrician might start with a base box and foam cutouts for their drill and impact and stack a PACKOUT organizer loaded with the 100-piece Shockwave set. You roll onto the job site and know everything has a place from fasteners to drivers.
Flexibility and growth. That's the beauty of PACKOUT. It grows with you. Start with a single box for service calls, then expand with drawers, organizers, and rolling bases as your needs change.
And Milwaukee keeps expanding the lineup every year, so your system can evolve without replacing what you already own.
I just want to jump back in and make sure everyone knows that every piece in the system is constructed from impact-resistant materials that can withstand drops, transport, and the elements. An IP65 rated weather seal keeps water and dust out, while reinforced hinges and heavy-duty latches ensure that the cases hold up under daily use. Security and peace of mind.
That's such a great point to add in, Mike.
Thank you, Andrew.
So whether you're grabbing a pre-built kit like the 4832 5162 or building your system one piece at a time, PACKOUT gives you a durable, customizable way to stay organized.
And here's the best part. You don't have to guess how it'll all come together. On our website, Ohio Power Tool offers a virtual PACKOUT builder. You can design your stack online, add modules, test layouts, and make sure it's going to work for you before you buy.
That way, when your shipment shows up, it's a system you actually need and not a pile of mismatched boxes.
Check out the link in the description to start building your PACKOUT virtually today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next breakdown, and let us know in the comments. Are you starting with pre-built kits or building piece by piece?
Thanks, and we will see you next time. Not bad.